Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how can we change our phone device name in our Tecno phone. Guys, you want to change guys your device name in your Tecno phone, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change device name in our Tecno phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So how can we change guys? First of all guys, we will on our phone setting to change our phone device name. So then guys, you can see guys this type of setting. Then guys, click on my phone setting first of all. So as you can see guys this type of setting, then guys second option guys you can see guys your device name. So guys we will tap here to change, then guys tap here and guys cut this device name, and guys new device name guys you can change from yourself. So example for guys I will take guys Tecno phone. So I will take like that guys Tecno phone, or guys you can change into your name also, but guys I will change into, and guys wait here and guys okay. And guys come back, then guys you can see guys your device name has changed in your Tecno phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change device name in a Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.